The Duke of Sussex reportedly took a private jet back from a charity polo match last week, despite regularly preaching to the public on climate change. Royal expert Angela Levin claimed Harry and Meghan were out of touch over their use of the gas-guzzling planes. Ms. Levin told talkRADIO, "It shows A, they are out of touch, and B, that they are huge hypocrites. They tell all the world what we have to do. It is very important, we must do it. But they don't think they are involved in that. They have exception because they are so grand and they are so important. But these private jets have at least 10 times more damage to the atmosphere than a commercial jet and 50 times more damage than if he went by train, but of course none of this applies to him. I think it is outrageous actually, but it is the same as when he says we all have to be compassionate when they are not compassionate to their own parents and family. That we can only have 2 children when it's none of his business really, and jet sets." Harry reportedly took the 2-hour flight from Aspen, Colorado, to Santa Barbara, California, on August 19 after the Centerbale ISPS Handa Polo Cup. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex have previously come under fire for their use of private jets despite lecturing the public about saving the planet. Speaking in September 2019, Harry defended his use of the exclusive planes. He said, "I spend 99% of my life traveling the world by commercial. Occasionally there needs to be an opportunity based on a unique circumstance to ensure that my family are safe. It's generally as simple as that." Royal author Tom Quinn criticized Harry's blind spot over his use of private jets. He told The Sun earlier this month, "This appears to be enormously hypocritical, given all his talk about climate change. Harry seems to see himself as someone who guides the rest of the world and that his own behavior isn't relevant. It is a huge blind spot."